Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Budapest, Hungary, and I'm on Margaret Island, Margit Island, whatever it's called. And this, I think, is St. Michael's Cathedral or Church or whatever it's called. But let's go take a closer look so I can find a name on it. I looked on my phone and I couldn't find anything that said what it was, but it's the only church I've seen on the island, and it's a cute little church. It was St. Michael's, wasn't it? I don't know. Let's see if we can find a name. Oop. I think they're feeding the birds. And I bet they're going to get 1,000 pigeons. Oh, here they come. Okay, I'm out of here. Does it have a name here? No. So I would figure St. Michael's Church, maybe? Is there more on this side? Aha. Let's see. St. Michael's Church of the Permanent was built in Roman style, 12th century, 1541. Okay. Well, it's certainly a cute little church, huh? Let's see if I can get back enough to get you the whole thing. St. Michael's Church in on Margaret Island. Very cool. Here's something else too. Does this say anything? No. Okay. Well, that's the church. Cool. Oh, hey, there's a statue on this side. I didn't see it before. Let's go look. Maybe this is St. Michael. Janus. Huh. Okay. That's it for me, everybody. Bye-bye.